Do you feel like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of working just to make ends meet? Does there always seem to be more month than money, with no real quality of life? Then you're probably trapped in the rat race. We're told from a young age that we need to study hard at school and get good grades, then go to college and earn a degree so you can get a good job, work hard and move up the career ladder, save money, find a good partner and get married, get a mortgage and buy a house, have children, pay your taxes on time, then retire and now live the good life, assuming you saved enough, that is. Welcome to Epic State, your home for money, mindset, and motivation. In a nutshell, the school system and society is set up to build a society of workers. It's the work hard and improve your life while paying taxes model. And this may have worked for our parents and generations before them, but the world has changed. The cost of living is going up faster than wages, and it's getting harder than ever to get on the housing ladder without help from parents or family. With 3 out of every 5 Americans now living paycheck to paycheck, the modern reality for new generations is very different. Working and paying bills can feel like a losing battle where you're continuously just trying to survive. The average quality of life in terms of free time and disposable income have taken a complete nosedive. College degrees don't necessarily mean a better job anymore, but instead can mean a life of debt. Add that to a society where 50% of marriages fail, job security is non-existent, and wages don't go up with the cost of living, and you suddenly realize the model is broken. Even if you do manage to get a great job and improve your quality of life over time, you may still be living paycheck to paycheck, as you now spend more to maintain your new lifestyle. You become trapped by the very things you wanted, stuck in the same situation but with nicer things. So what can you do about it? How can you escape these traps, improve the quality of your life, reclaim more of your time, and keep more of your money? The first step is to realize you are in a trap. Admit you drank the Kool-Aid and are now trapped by the system. Your goal instead should be to make the system work for you. You need to start trying to think outside of the box. Challenge your preconceptions. The following 5 tips will help you break free and create a better life that works for you and not against you. Number 1. Set yourself a goal and define what the lifestyle you want looks like. Do you want to travel more, spend more time with your family, or maybe you just want to live a simple life and work less? You can't plan to escape if you don't know where you want to escape to. Asking for more money for stuff that will only bring short-term pleasure is not the answer. Go deeper. Define your goal. Number 2. Ask yourself, what are you willing to change? Many of us say things like, I want more free time and money. But the question is, what are you willing to change to get it? Are you willing to move to a cheaper city or country? Would you be willing to retrain so you can potentially work online? You don't have to upend your entire life, but sometimes simple changes can immediately get you closer to the life you want. A lot of our suffering comes from being inflexible. Second, get rid of your stuff. One of the biggest barriers to escaping the rat race is all of the stuff you have. So get rid of anything that's holding you back. Don't let things own you. Be more minimal. Number 3, invest. Investing is one of the most effective ways to escape the rat race. By investing in assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate, you can build up your wealth over time and eventually achieve financial independence. And best of all, you don't have to quit your job or make any major lifestyle changes to start investing. You just need to discover ways to make your money work for you. Invest in assets that appreciate and give you a return on your money. The younger you start, the better. Number 4, have a side hustle. In addition to your full-time job, start a business on the side. This could be a YouTube channel, selling stuff you buy from a garage sale, or trading crypto. It doesn't matter what it is, as long as it's something you're passionate about. Pick one thing and stick to it. Not only will this give you something to look forward to outside of work, but it can also help you learn something new while making some extra money. And who knows, with a little hard work and dedication, your side hustle could even become your full-time job. Number 5, learn to think outside of the box. Critical and creative thinking is something we all need more of in our lives. If you want to learn how to escape the rat race and achieve your goals, then you need to learn to think outside of the box. That means thinking beyond your current situation, tearing down norms, and looking for creative solutions to your current problems. It may also mean making some lifestyle changes, such as working fewer hours in the short term or downsizing your home. Whatever it takes, learn to think outside of the box. Those who think differently in life are the ones who normally find ways to escape the rat race for good. With that said, we've come to the end of today's video. If you found value in it, then please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly money, mindset, and motivation. Until next time.